In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to push workflow into account GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to copy an existing workflow into a different sub-account so you can reuse your best automations without rebuilding them from scratch. First, open GoHighLevel and sign in so you're looking at your dashboard. This process assumes you have the right permissions to copy assets between accounts. If you're part of an agency or managing multiple client workspaces, make sure your role allows you to move workflows into the destination sub-account. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Automation. This is the home for your triggers, actions, and the logic that runs behind your campaigns. From here, choose Workflows. The Workflows area lists everything you've built or imported, and it's the control center for what you're about to copy. Find the workflow you want to move. Clear naming really helps at this stage, especially if you keep multiple variations. Before copying, it's smart to quickly scan the workflow and note any dependencies it references, like forms, calendars, pipelines, or tags. Knowing what's inside will help you confirm everything behaves the same way in the destination. When you've identified the right workflow, hover over it and click the three dots to open the More Options menu. This is where GoHighLevel groups advanced actions for each workflow. Choose Copy to Subaccount. This command tells GoHighLevel to package the workflow and prepare it for the destination. Keep in mind that while the core workflow logic copies over, certain connected assets may need to exist or be mapped in the sub-account later, depending on your setup. A prompt will appear asking you to select the sub-account. Use the list or the search field to find the exact destination you want. Take a second to confirm the name so you don't accidentally send it to the wrong place, especially if you manage many similar accounts. Once you've selected the correct sub-account, click Submit. GoHighLevel will process the copy. Larger or more complex workflows can take a moment, so a brief wait is normal. After this, the workflow will be available in the Destination Accounts Workflows area, ready for any final adjustments or activation according to that account's needs. That's all there is to it. Open GoHighLevel, go to Automation, enter Workflows, select your workflow, open the three-dot menu, choose Copy to Subaccount, pick the destination, and submit. Use consistent naming and keep a checklist of dependencies to make every copy seamless. Thanks for watching and happy automating.